Example first, in a certain examination, test of 2000 students appearing in the subject of math, average marks obtained were average marks obtained were 50% with standard deviation standard deviation 5%. यहाँ पे कितना 50% and the standard deviation is 5%. How many students will obtain more than 60% of marks supposing that marks are distributed normally. Supposing that marks are distributed normally. In bracket, A corresponding to Z is equal to 2 is 0.4772. This is your given, this is your area corresponding to Z is equal to 2 is 0.4772. Okay, now look on the board. In a certain examination test, एक टेस्ट है, उसमें टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट कितने हैं? 2000 स्टूडेंट हैं. ओके, appearing in the subject of math, the average marks obtained here 50% average. This is your mean. average बोला है तो mean है वो. average mean that is mu, या फिर mu बोलते हैं उसे. with standard deviation sigma कितना है? 5%. How many students will obtain more than 60%? More than 60%. Okay, more than 60%. यहाँ पे परसेंटेज में है x. Supposing that the marks are distributed normally. Okay, तो देखो here average mark क्या दिया है? average marks that is mu. This is your mu is equal to 50%. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? 50 divided by 100. 50 divided by 100 we get 0.50. This is your mu. Okay, mu. Also standard deviation क्या है? sigma. And sigma is equal to 5%. उसका मीनिंग क्या है? 5 divided by 100 is equal to 0.005. Okay, 0.05. and capital X is condition, condition किस पे, X पे, capital X is equal to 60%, correct? तो क्या जाएगा 60 divided by 100, we get 0.6. Okay. Now, first of all, we have to find the value of Z. How to find value of Z? I will write formula here. Z is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. This is formula of Z. That is finding mean. Okay. Z is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. Here, first of all, we have to find Z. Z is equal to X minus mu divided by sigma. Put value of X is 0.6 minus mu is 0.50 and sigma is 0.05. Okay, now solve this by using calculus. We get the value of Z is 2. We get value of Z is 2. Okay, we get value of Z is 2. एक बार Z मिल गया, then draw the graph. I will draw graph here. क्या जाएगा, this is your graph. Okay, तो क्या है, Z is equal to 2. This is positive, correct? Positive side में आएगा, Z is equal to 2. यहाँ पे Z is equal to 2. Now observe this. अभी यहाँ पे ही main problem है. Observe this. Z is equal to 2. हमें Z2 मिला है. This information is given. अभी देखो यहाँ पे. How many students will obtain more than 60%? तो Z क्या है 2. तो more than, तो उसका मीनिंग क्या है? This is we have to find answer of this. Okay, outside. More than. Okay, more than Z is equal to 2. More than Z is equal to 2. तो क्या जाएगा? This whole is 0.5. Whole is 0.5. तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? 0.5 minus at Z is equal to 2. Okay, तो therefore P of X greater than X क्या है? X. The value of X is 0.05. The value of X is 0.6. 0.6. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? P of X greater than 0.6. Probability of the students, correct ना? Greater than 60%. Okay. P of X greater than 6 is equal to 0.5 minus P of Z is equal to 2. Okay. Z is equal to 2. तो क्या है P of Z is equal to 2? This is nothing but area. This is 0.5 minus area of Z is equal to 2. Area of Z is equal to 2. This probability is nothing but area. तो क्या जाएगा? This is at Z is equal to 2. Z is equal to 2 क्या दिया है हमारे पास? This is given. This is your 0.4772. Correct? तो क्या जाएगा? 0.5 minus 0.4772. We get the required answer, that is this is 0.0228. 0.0228. We get this is your required answer. Now this is for one student. Now for 2000 student. Okay, by using calculus आपको मिलेगा subtraction. Okay, therefore for 2000 students क्या जाएगा? Will cover more than 60%. Okay, will cover more than 60% mark is equal to क्या जाएगा? 2000 into 0.0228. Do this by using calculus. We get the answer 46 student approximately. Okay, approximately. This is your question from normal distribution. क्या करना है? First find mu दिया है आपके पास, sigma दिया है, X is given. We have to find Z. Z मिल गया एक बार. Then में से Z पॉजिटिव है, नेगेटिव है. Okay, Z की वैल्यू कौन सी है वो आपको टिक करना है. Then draw this diagram. Then अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे X पे कंडीशन है. X पे more than 60%. तो Z जो मिला है हमें, Z जो मिला है more than this. Okay, तो क्या चाहिए? Greater than this. But total एरिया कितना है? 0.5. तो हम क्या करेंगे? Subtract 0.5 minus Q of Z is equal to 2. Okay, but this probability is nothing but area. Area at Z is equal to 2. कितना है? This is given. Area at Z is equal to 2 is 0.4772. Then we get this answer. This is for one student, and for 2000 student multiply by 2000 we get answer 46 approximately. Okay, this is your first question from normal distribution. Okay, now second question from normal distribution. We will discuss one more question from this topic, normal distribution. Example second, assuming that the diameter of assume that the diameter of diameter of 1000 brass plugs taken consequently from machine form a normal distribution with mean mean 0.00 centimeter. How many of the plugs are likely to be approved if they acceptable diameter is 0.752 plus minus 0.004 centimeter. Okay, this is your question. अब जब यहाँ पे क्या है, total diameter of 1000 brass plugs consequently from the machine form a normal distribution with mean. Mean क्या दिया है? Mean is, this is your mean. Okay, mean. How many of the plugs? Mean and standard deviation. Mean दिया है, this is your mean 0.00. Mean is right here. Mean is 0.7515 and standard deviation I will write here, and standard deviation is equal to 0.0020 centimeter. Okay, this is your question corrected. Assuming that the diameter of 1000 brasses plugs taken consequently from a machine form normal distribution with mean is 0.7515 and standard deviation 0.0020 centimeter. Okay, वो भी सेंटीमीटर में है, वो भी सेंटीमीटर में है. Okay, how many of the plugs are likely to be approved if they acceptable diameter is, this is your diameter, this is your X. Okay, also given that the area at Z is equal to, वो given है area at Z is equal to Z is equal to 2.25 2.25 is equal to, this is your given information, 0.4878, and area at Z is equal to 1.75 is equal to 0.4599. This is your given information. Okay. Now I will solve this. This is your given question. Okay. Now here Z is equal to, Z का दिया है मेन 0.7515. ओके, एंड सिग्मा क्या दिया है मेन Z और दिस इज म्यू और Z, दिस इज योर म्यू. ओके, mean deviation mu, and sigma is 0.0020 centimeter. Both are same in centimeter. Okay. First of all, we have to find x1 and x2. x1 क्या जाएगा पॉजिटिव and x2 क्या जाएगा नेगेटिव. Suppose x1 is equal to 0.75 plus 752 plus 0.0040 is equal to, this is your x1, and x2 is 0.752 minus 0.0040. Okay, by using calculation we get answer directly, positive negative. तो वो आएगा 0.756 and this is 0.748. Okay, x1 x2. Now we have to find the Z1 and Z2. Now Z1 is equal to x1 minus mu divided by sigma. Okay, x1 क्या है x1 is 0.756 minus mu is 0.7515 divided by sigma is 0.0020. We get this is 2.25. Find this by using calculation. Okay. Now also Z2 is equal to x2 minus mu divided by sigma, and x2 कितना है x2 is यहाँ पे find x2 0.748 minus sigma is 0.7115 divided by 0.0020. Okay. Now find this, we get this is 1.75. This is minus 1.75. Z1 Z2. Okay. From Z1 Z2 we have to draw the diagram. From Z1 Z2 कैसा है diagram? एक क्या है पॉजिटिव, एक क्या है नेगेटिव, करेक्ट? We get this is your diagram. Suppose this is your Z1 is equal to 2.25. Suppose this is Z2 minus 1.75. Okay, तो क्या जाएगा? We have to find area between these two. तो वहां पे क्या जाएगा? This region, correct? This region. At that time हम क्या करेंगे? दोनों की addition. Okay. Now therefore P of x1 less than x2 is equal to area of Z1 is equal to, Z1 क्या है? Z1 is equal to 2.25 plus area of Z2 is equal to, Z2 क्या है? minus 1.75. तो क्या जाएगी? दोनों की एडिशन. We have to find area between these two. Okay, area between these two. तो क्या जाएगा? Area at Z1 is equal to 2.25 is given. This is 0.4878 plus area at Z is equal to 1.75 is given. This is 0.4599. Now add this by using calculation. We get this is 0.9477. Okay, so this is your required answer. This is for one brass. Now 100 for 1000 brass क्या जाएगा? Multiply to this by 1000. Okay, therefore for 1000 brass we get 1000 into 0.9477. This is nearly about 948 approximately. Okay, this is second question from normal distribution. This is all about the normal distribution. यहाँ पे important क्या है? This is Z. Z is equal to x minus mu divided by sigma. X पे condition है mu क्या है? mu is the mean and sigma is standard deviation. आपको क्या करना है बाद में? Z पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव. ये पॉजिटिव में है, नेगेटिव में है, बिटवीन में है, कौन सा आ गया? We have to use the previous knowledge जो मैंने पहले बताया था. Then using this knowledge solve we get answer accurately. Okay.